Hey guys, welcome to the channel, and in this video I will show you how to manage storage space in OneDrive. So first, what you want to do, you want to tap on the Me icon on the bottom right corner of the app. Then here you'll see your plan, Microsoft 365 free. As you can see, 2.58 megabyte is used out of 5 gigabyte. Suppose you have way more than that and you need more, what you can do is basically upgrade it. You can upgrade to 100 or terabyte or 6 terabyte. And if you want to remove unnecessary storage, what you have to do is you go to the recycle bin, then you delete it all. But first I would advise you to check whether you have deleted accidentally a file that is very important for you. And basically that is it. That's it for this video. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe, and see you in the next video.